Employment and Community Development, I speak of no other than the Honorable Desmond Mckenzie.
To remain standing. As your deputy leader for Area Council 1, I want to say to my area council and to the wider Jamaica that we in Area Council 1, we of the Jamaica Labour Party, we don't want any war whatsoever. Well, let me say something to you tonight. Don't take what is happening lightly. Labor rights, we need to become focused. Area Council 1, the third term for the Labour Party and Dr. Holness can only be secured unless we do what we must do as an area council. So tonight, I know some of you is feeling a little bit uneasy. And I am not going to prolong my presentation to you anymore. Next Sunday, we're moving up to Northwest, St. Andrew, Sherlock, here we come next Sunday. But I urge every Labourite to ensure that you continue to do the work. Go out there. Spread the gospel. Those of you who are workers of the party, canvas is important. This is a numbers game. We're not going to get distracted. But we will not allow the PNP to push us back. We are going to push back at the PNP if and when they try to stop us. So, Labour rights, I want to thank the area council. And I want to say to MP Donovan Williams, you have done a tremendous job of work in this constituency. And the only reward that you will get is when the people of Central Kingston gives you the second term as Member of Parliament. The first time it will ever happen in this constituency for a Jamaica Labour Party Member of Parliament. And we welcome Lawrence Rowe to the fore. Every man and every woman who has a vision, who wants better, we will accept them in the arms of the Jamaica Labour Party, because we are a party of all Jamaicans. We're not a party of a few Tappanaris. Every single Jamaican is a Tappanaris for the Jamaica Labour Party. Every single Jamaican. And so, I invite you to continue to do what is necessary. And let us ensure that Andrew Michael Holness, the young man with a vision, ensure we do the right thing. Choose wisely. Choose the Jamaica Labour Party. Choose Donovan Williams. Choose Andrew Holness as the next Prime Minister to continue
You have been listening to
the job.
one of the JLP's deputy leaders, Desmond Mckenzie. He's the deputy leader for Area Council 1. This is the area council where we are gathered for the Choose Jamaica public meeting. Central Kingston is the constituency. The incumbent member of parliament is Donovan Williams, and this meeting is ending under tense circumstances because not long ago, what the Labourites are saying to me is that gunshot rang out. I did hear the popping sounds, and the Labourites scattered. Police unit moved in the direction of the popping sounds, and another unit has since arrived on location. And you heard the Deputy Leader Desmond Mckenzie appealing for peace and saying that the Labourites will not be intimidated. Of course, Darrell Vaz, the Member of Parliament for West Portland, also declaring, he said that the Labourites would not be afraid of gunshots. But the meeting is at an end now. I want to thank our colleagues on location. The broadcast engineer here on location is Jermaine Compass. In studio,